Hello and welcome to Juice4halt. I am George and I would like to show you our new 5-volt supercapacitor UPS module in operation. In this video, the Juice4halt module backs up the Raspberry Pi and the display. The 5-volt version module contains a micro USB connector. Let's stack the module onto the Raspberry Pi. We connect the supply wires of the display to the backed up 5-volt rail. For supplying, we use a universal power supply for the Raspberry Pi. Let's plug the power supply cord into the micro USB connector on the Juice4halt module. After plugging the power supply into mains, the red and the green LED will light up, which means there is enough voltage present at the power input and the supercapacitor's state of charge is less than 100%. The supercapacitors begin to charge immediately after plugging. When the state of charge reaches about 70%, the Raspberry Pi will be powered on. This is indicated by lighting up of the yellow LED. After reaching the full state of charge, the red LED goes off. A short flashing of the green LED at the end of the boot process indicates the shutdown script execution. After that, we can unplug the power supply to test the UPS function. It takes a few seconds until the Raspberry Pi will start with the shutdown. If we recover the power within this time, the Raspberry Pi will continue operation without shutting down. The Raspberry Pi has shut down and the power has been cut off. This is indicated by turning off the yellow LED.